Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's localize the option date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping like that and confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it. Of course, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Here we can change the time zone. Just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. That's not what I wanted to do. Let me quickly go back. Date and time. Alright, and here we've got also the time format, so either we can use 24-hour format or 12-hour one. To set the 12-hour, just turn off this switcher, or we can use the automatic option, so use local default just by tapping on the switcher. And this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.